Alright guys, well the cicadas are out in force today, so hope you can hear me just fine. I wanted to show you something, or maybe in this case not show you something, really cool. Do you see any ground radials? I'm going to show you how I did that and how I fixed that right here. So as you guys know, I've got my DX Commander here. I've had this for a couple weeks now, been really enjoying it. Become one of my favorite antennas, and since it's now a permanent installation, I use it all the time. What you can't see down here is all of the counterpoise wires that are coming out. You might be able to see little remnants of it here, but here's how I dealt with it. I went on to Amazon, and they have these little staples, and it's a pack of 100 for like $8. Get these little staples. They think these are galvanized steel, so they won't rust or anything. You come down to your cable down here, and you pull it nice and tight, and you get that staple in the ground. If you have really tough ground out here, you want to get them in, you just kind of tap them in while keeping some good tension. Keep good tension on your counterpoise wire. And just make sure you kind of wiggle it down past the grass so it's, it gets actual contact with the ground, and you should be okay to go. But that's the solution I came up with, and I'll let this grow over for a little while. End up raising the height of my lawnmower just a little bit, and then when I come back and mow, I hope it won't grab all my wires and trash my really nice antenna. Anyway guys, that's all I got for now. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe if you haven't already. This is KI5MPL, ham radio for non-techies, and I will see you soon.